Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stop loss order on Tradovate. So first of all, you need to just simply come here on Tradovate and then log in into your account. Over here, you need to launch that particular chart on which you want to basically place the stop loss. So as you can see, currently I've opened the MNQ chart over here, and let's say I'm in the sell position over here, and for this particular sell position I want to create or basically add a stop loss. So over here what you need to do is, if you are in the short position, so you need to simply hover over to the top and simply click on it. Now over here simply select the option of buy stop. So this is going to be your stop loss. Similarly, let's say I close this particular position and I'm in the buy trade from here. So my stop loss would be below this particular level. So let's say it is going to be my stop loss. So I'm going to simply click over here, then select the option of sell stop. So once this is done, this is going to be your stop loss. So that's how basically you can create a stop loss order on the Tradovate. Now if you want Tradovate to basically automatically add the stop loss, you can use the option of ATM, in which you need to simply select the gear icon, then select the option of on, give ATM a name, select the tick, select the type as stop loss only, and over here you can just simply provide the stop loss in ticks. So for example, if you are in a position, it is automatically going to place the stop loss 20 ticks below or above your position. So that's how you can basically set it. So when you select the option of save, you are going to see your ATM name here on the top, and whenever you place any of the orders, it will automatically create a stop loss order for you. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.